Lamlak ki Sa-Uchek singbu ngakpi senbiba madi Umang Yokhatpa haibasi mioiba Eikhoigi Toupham Thokpa Thoudangni haiba Manipur ki Governor Vala na fongdokre. Ngasi Forest Department na sinduna Palace Compound da leiba City Convention Center da Human Wildlife Coexistence haiba wakalonda 71 Wildlife Week Celebration lising ani kun mga ki grand finale pangtokre. Ngasi grand finale gi thoramaduda Manipur ki Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel Marui Valengaki Makoktumba official sing Central Secretary Force Amadi School gi Mahiroi Singh na Sarukyaki Wildlife Week Kamari Laina na pangthokiba Asia and pending competition da makok matang tarakraba Amadi consolation gi mana fangadaba sing da certificate citation Amadi cell gi mana pitu na puning thogatki Wildlife Amadi Forest kananaba gi matang da miyam na awareness piwa NGO sing Amadi Wildlife kanba sing da su puning thogat poina cell gi mana pitu na ikai khumna wotki Governor Vala na makataraduna malemgi mafamda fanglaktraba atang Sa-Uchek Amadi Uray makhal kaya Manipur da fangi kay Vulamjao National Park ta malemgi mafam atay dalaitaba sangay Loktak Pat ki atawbo pumdi mathakta leiri Masida natana Tamenglong none Tengnopal Kamjong Amadi Churachandpur district ta Himalayan Black Bear Amadi Sathirava Himalayan Sunbear sing pangi malemgi oina Sangna paiba ngambada masak khangnariba Amur Falcon Uchek Tamenglong district ta chaktaba lakli Sa-Uchek sing faba madi Umang kanna bagidamak lamdam masigi Forest Department NGO amadi tongan ba miyoi kyana hauna duna mahosagi khal kaidana ngakna thamna buhonari maruoina tungi mirol oihaugadoriba mahiroi singda awareness matik chana piduna mahosagi khalda ahongba pirakliba si kanna bagidamak khangan mamathau tai haike
Wildlife Week is more than just a celebration. It's a reminder of our collective responsibility towards the diverse flora and fauna that sustain life on Earth. The theme of this year's celebration, Human-Wildlife Coexistence, resonates deeply with the landscapes of Manipur, a land where tradition and nature have long existed together. It urges us to protect our forests, wetlands, and wildlife while embracing sustainable development. Manipur is blessed with extraordinary biodiversity. Our state is home to numerous endemic, rare and endangered species. The Shanghai, the world's only pro-antled deer, the clouded leopard, bullock gibbon, our state bird Nongin, Himalayan black bear and a rich diversity of birds, reptiles and orchids. In the exhibition outside, I have seen beautiful photographs and would like to compliment the children who have done paintings. It's such nice live colors, as if the painting is actually the real life picture of a sky, a forest, water body and all. Manipur has the potential to become a model for balancing tradition, development and biodiversity conservation.